Hey, hi, hello. This is Saravana from aforanalyticsuniversity, and in this video, we're gonna look at what is Microsoft Power BI Premium and what is the difference between Microsoft Power BI Pro versus Microsoft Power BI Premium, and why we need Microsoft Power BI Premium, what difference it makes. Stay tuned. Microsoft Power BI Premium. So those are people who don't know what is Power BI and why we need to use Power BI, what are the different tools available in Microsoft Power BI. You can go back and watch other videos in our channel. I have recently published what is Power BI, why we need to use Power BI, different products, and a few tutorials about how to use Power BI in real time. So please watch that and come back to this video and watch henceforth. Now, Microsoft Power BI Premium. What is it? So Microsoft Power BI Premium is a dedicated capacity in Microsoft Cloud Server. Means the cloud server partitioned a dedicated capacity for your organization specifically. So no other organization using Power BI can utilize that space. So the cloud space provides you a greater capability. They provide a virtual core, the different number of refreshes, and the number of data sources, and as well as the size of a data source and the whole size of a data source. And this dedicated space and gives you around 100 terabyte of space on total for your organization, which is a mammoth, which is very huge. It's a huge one. So when you look at the pricing of Microsoft Power BI Premium, so you will get a very good idea why it is much costly. So it costs you around 4,995, around $5,000, where the Pro license is just $10 per user per month. What is the difference is, so this Pro license, Microsoft Power BI Pro, works on a shared workspaces. I mean the shared dedicated spaces in the cloud. Dedicated space will be provided for you, computation and resource storages, and this also provides a lot of capabilities, like, so you don't need to purchase a Pro license for each and every one in your organization. So this will handles in the number of usages, number of the cloud computation and storage usages that charge only for that, not for users, unlike Power BI Pro. So when we see the differences between Power BI Pro and Premium, and this comes up with Office 365 Enterprise C5, and it's not Power BI Pro is a licensed user, where Premium is not licensed user. The one of the major differences, computation processing environment, so which is shared for a Power BI Pro, where it's dedicated. So this will be dedicated only for organization, which is the major difference. So another one, so I was talking about that the 100 terabyte in earlier. So what does it mean is the maximum storage of the Power BI servers will be 100 terabyte, which is very huge, and you can have a data set. You need to go for analysis servers to compress your data if you have more data. So that is a different one. And another one is, if you want to do a day schedule refresh very often, then you must go for a Power BI Premium, because the number of refreshes per day in Power BI Pro is just 8. So you cannot schedule 8 refresh per day, not more than 8, where in Power BI Premium you can schedule refreshes more than 8 till 48. So we can schedule up to 48. And so these are the major differences between Power BI Pro and Premium. And you can use where you need to deploy your server. You can choose that. You have all flexibilities and rights to do that. And Power BI Premium comes up with a wonderful DevOps tool inbuilt in Power BI servers. So you don't need to have a separate DevOps guy who's working on the deployments. So Power BI service itself has a very simple DevOps environment. You can change the reports from development to the testing to the production very easy. You can shift out the workbook and as well as the data set with a few clicks in Power BI Premium. So where Power BI Pro doesn't have that functionality, you need to do some sort of manual scripting works to move from one workspace to another workspace. And if you want to learn Microsoft Power BI from beginner level to intermediate to expert level, you must look at this information what I'm gonna tell you now. So aforanalytics providing training for Microsoft Power BI and other tools, Tableau, Click, Zoho, AI. So when you go into our website, you can see the training. So when you click that, it redirects to you for a new website, new page, aforanalyticsuniversity. So where you can see the beginner to expert Microsoft Power BI training, which is a live class. Live instructor will be teaching you those things, and in this course we will cover why we need to use Power BI, what is Power BI, what are the different tools available in Power BI, and the Power BI DAX, Power BI custom visuals. So what are the tips and tricks you need to know when you want to work in an organization in the real-time project? What are the different products, integration with our programming, integration with Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio, and all the stuffs will be covered, all the modules will be covered in these courses. And so when you get into the curriculum, you can able to see the list of topics that will be covered, right? Start from desktop servers, workspaces, dev, test, UAT, productions, report server, the basic and advanced data connection, basic and advanced data prep, modeling, designing, publishing, role level security, and everything will be covered in this course in a very low cost by an expert. And since you're watching this video, I'm gonna give you an offer for this course. So this course costs around 31,500. Since you're watching today, if you're ready to sign up before this month, and I give you a 50% flat offer, I give you a coupon code in the description box. You can make use of it, and this valid till 30th September 2020. And another important thing about this course is it's a lifetime course. It's not the pre-recorded courses. If you're taking this course this month, the duration of a course is 2 months, so that gives around October, November. If you want to do the same course in the next year of March, you can just sign up with the Aforanalytics University. You don't need to pay anything, any amount at no cost. You can join another class in the March of 2021 without no cost, as the same live instructor will be providing you the the courses. And this is one of a unique thing. We are a very few companies who are doing this, so we can easily count it out. And if you have any questions, please post it in the comments below. And if you have any questions, if you want a quick answer, you can use the chat window. You can fill your information and initiate the chat, and the live human support team in our office will be answering your questions very soon. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. See you, bye.